Welcome back to my channel. I didn't know I have a good voice. Anyway guys, today is Wednesday and it's January 27 and it's today's vlog guys. I am going to make a buko salad. My eldest son this is his favorite dessert, so requested me to make it. So I decided to do it today. This is actually a lot guys because I'm gonna feed the whole barangay. No, joke. My sisters love this guys, love the buko salad as well, and my staff also in the salon, they like it, so I'm just gonna share it with them guys. So, to those who are new here guys, I would love to welcome you once again, and to my current subscribers, thank you so much guys for always supporting me, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below guys, and let me know what you think of the video, and I hope you are all okay out there, and let's just be positive in everything what we are doing at the moment. I know that we are all suffering, but you know, this is the time that we need to be patient and pray that this problem will get over soon. Alright guys, so let's prepare all the ingredients of my buko salad. I am boiling the banana. It's one of my ingredients of my buko salad. That's the banana guys that I sliced. You have to take out the middle part and then cut it like that. Two apple guys, I'm gonna cut it in small pieces. Alright guys, so the ingredients for our buko salad, that's buko, raisin, this is my banana, and that's cheese, Nestle cream, condensed, and then the fruit cocktail, Fiesta fruit cocktail, Kaong, Nata de Coco. So that's all our ingredients guys for our buko salad mixed with fruits. Let's mix it now. Alright guys, so this is the buko. We're gonna put all the ingredients: raisin, apple, banana. We have to put the cheese guys, kaong, nata de coco, fruit cocktail, and then we're gonna put the cream, condensed milk, then we're gonna mix it guys. Look at that, wow, full of ingredients guys. This is yummy. Can hardly see the buko. Lots of fruits. Look at that guys, isn't that look yummy? is, guys, it's done. We need to put it in the freezer now. My homemade buko salad. It's done.
6 hours later.
You know, I love this, but I don't really know what's in it.
It's a fruit cocktail, and actually there is a lot.
Yeah, all the fruit.
I put this time.
You know how there's like the soft bits and the other stuff? Like the flavor is so good. Thanks, Mom!
Sarap!
Special request. This is my plate now. Okay, love you, Mom.
Okay, love you. That was it, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you guys for the support, and I hope that you are all guys safe out there. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye!